Alright, so now let's turn our attention into graphing a line from slope-intercept form. So here are the steps here. So first, we're going to plot the y-intercept if we want to graph a line. And then from the y-intercept, we're going to use this concept of rise over run. Your rise, we say that's the change in y. That's going to be your vertical movement. And your run, that's your change in x, your horizontal movement. And then we're going to connect the 2 points and form a straight line. So let's take a look here. So here we want to graph y equals 2/3 x minus 4. So if we use this recipe right here, y equals mx plus b, we see that the y-intercept here is going to be -4 because that's the number that's in the position of b here on my recipe. So to graph this, I'm going to look at the y axis, and I'm going to look for -4. So I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to plot a point here. So we got a point right there. And now from this point right here, now I'm going to make use of the slope or the rise over run. So here the rise is going to be attributed to the numerator, and the run is going to be attributed to the denominator. So 2/3 is telling me to rise 2. So I'm going to go up 1, 2, and then it's telling me to run 3. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to make a point right there. So I'm going to go ahead and graph it. And now I just connect the dots with a straight line, and that would be the graph of this equation. So let's do one more example. Let's do this one. So now here, again, I want to draw my skeleton, y equals mx plus b. So here my rise, here let me rewrite it, your rise over run, that's going to be your m. And right here it looks like my rise is -4. And now I'm going to divide this by 1 in order to make my run more visible. So the first thing I need to do is graph the b term, or the y-intercept. And here we can see that the y-intercept is +3. So we're going to go up to 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to plot this. And now from my y-intercept, now I have to rise -4 and run 1. So I know it's rise, but whenever you have a negative, you can think about falling instead. So here I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, and you always run to the right. So here we have this point right here. And then we're going to do our best to connect them and form a straight line.